Ever wonder why some seemingly robust structures crumble overnight, while others stand tall against the fiercest storms? In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, we witnessed a dramatic illustration of this phenomenon when FTX, once a titan, imploded, while Kraken, a long-standing exchange, weathered the tempest. But how? What hidden mechanisms, what fundamental differences, allowed one to collapse so spectacularly while the other remained a beacon of stability? The story of FTX's downfall in November 2022 is a grim fable of unchecked ambition, questionable ethics, and a blatant disregard for fundamental financial principles. Sam Bankman-Fried, the charismatic founder, built an empire valued at $32 billion, promising to revolutionize finance. Yet, beneath the veneer of innovation and philanthropic gestures lay a house of cards. The core of FTX's collapse can be traced to a catastrophic commingling of customer funds with those of its affiliated trading firm, Alameda Research. Instead of acting as a neutral custodian, FTX was allegedly using customer deposits to fuel Alameda's risky trading strategies and prop up its own FTT token. This wasn't just poor risk management, it was a fundamental breach of trust, a betrayal of the very premise of a financial exchange. The unraveling began with a CoinDesk report that exposed Alameda's precarious balance sheet, heavily laden with FTT, FTX's native token. This revelation, coupled with a public spat between Bankman-Fried and Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, triggered a bank run. Billions of dollars in withdrawal requests flooded FTX, a demand it simply couldn't meet because customer funds weren't held securely in reserve, they were actively being used elsewhere. The proposed bailout by Binance fell through after due diligence revealed the extent of FTX's financial irregularities and alleged mishandling of customer funds. Within days, FTX, FTX.US, and Alameda filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The aftermath was devastating, with billions of dollars in customer assets lost, a ripple effect across the crypto market, and criminal charges against Bankman-Fried and other key executives. The balance sheet of FTX, as revealed post-collapse, was a chaotic mess, showing a staggering $9 billion in liabilities against a mere $900 million in easily liquidatable assets. The presence of a hidden, poorly internally labeled fiat account with a negative $8 billion balance perfectly encapsulated the financial black hole FTX had become. Now, let's pivot to Kraken, an exchange that, despite operating in the same turbulent market, not only survived but emerged with its reputation largely intact. Kraken, founded in 2011, is practically an elder statesman in the crypto space. Unlike FTX's meteoric rise fueled by aggressive marketing and celebrity endorsements, Kraken has always taken a more measured, methodical approach. This difference in operational philosophy is critical. At the heart of Kraken's resilience lies its unwavering commitment to regulatory compliance and transparency. While FTX operated in a shadowy, often unregulated, environment, Kraken has consistently pursued licenses and adhered to regulations in various jurisdictions. This isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about building a robust framework that prioritizes user protection. Kraken's early adoption of proof of reserves audits is a prime example of this commitment. Since 2014, and regularly since January 2022, Kraken has undertaken independent, third-party audits to verify that customer deposits are fully backed by on-chain assets. These audits use a Merkle tree system, allowing individual users to cryptographically verify that their balances are included and backed by the exchange's reserves. This transparency stands in stark contrast to FTX's opaque financial dealings, where even internal records were chaotic and misleading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.